A layer mask works by hiding and revealing the layer it's attached to. To make one, just select the layer you want to mask and click the button that looks like a rectangle with a circle in it. Then you'll see this little box pop up. If you select that, anything you paint black is going to disappear, and anything you paint white is going to reappear. So you can use the object selection tool to select the things you want to isolate, and then paint everything else black using the paint bucket. The nice thing about layer masks is that you can edit your selection afterward. You can still transform the image. Just make sure you have the image selected, not the layer mask. If you bring in a new image and select the part you want to keep, then when you hit the layer mask button, everything else disappears. Hit subscribe to see more tips. Comment below with your favorite tricks in Photoshop.